Chicago in the early 20th century, a city full of opportunities but also dangers. Among the numerous gangs that held the city in fear, one stood out: the South Side Gang. The South Side Gang emerged in the south side of Chicago. Its founder, Johnny Torrio, was a sharp-minded and ambitious man. When a young and fearless Al Capone arrived on the scene, Torrio saw his potential and brought him to Chicago. This partnership changed the criminal landscape of the city. After Johnny Torrio was wounded in an assassination attempt, he handed over control to Capone. Al quickly transformed the gang into a powerful organization, controlling bootlegging, gambling, and racketeering. The South Side Gang included many colorful personalities: Johnny Torrio, the founder and strategist; Al Capone, the legendary leader; Frank Nitti, Capone's right-hand man and financier; Jack McGurn, the gang's hitman, and a key player in the St. Valentine's Day Massacre. Also part of the gang were Capone's brothers, Ralph and Frank, who managed finances and bootlegging; Jake Guzik, the gang's accountant; and Louis Campagna, Capone's trusted associate. After Al Capone's arrest for tax evasion in 1931, the influence of the South Side Gang began to fade. However, the memory of its criminal power still lives on, and the legends of Al Capone have become an inseparable part of Chicago's history.